Hello children, good morning everyone. In last class you learnt about I Dream of Spices poem. Is it? You learnt so many spices in this poem, and in today's class you are going to learn a supplementary. But before going into today's topic, I just want you to recall last class topics. You learnt about cinnamon, bitter leaves, garlic and also ginger. These are some of the spices that gives us delicious taste to the food. It gives us very good aroma, that is very good smell to the food, and also it gives very good taste also. This is sesame seeds. And then next one is about onion. So far you learned about all the spices. Spices are very important in cooking and it gives us a very delicious taste also. So, in today's class, you are going to learn about spices of India. That is your supplementary. Okay, children? As I said already, spices is very important for food because it gives very good aroma, that is smell and also taste to the food. In India, spices are the soul of the food. Soul of the food in the sense, spices are very important for food. Is it? Without spices, food will become very tasteless. When we think of spices, we think of tasty and healthy food. Many of the spices in our food are added to balance nutrition and keep us healthy. Whenever we think about spices, we also think about tasty and healthy food. Many of the spices are added in our food. So many spices are added in our food to balance nutrition and also to keep us healthy. By eating so many spices, our food will become nutritious and also it keeps us healthy. They add flavor and nutrition to the dishes without fat and calories. When we eat spicy food, it also add flavor. Flavor means a good aroma and also very nutrition value to the food, to the dishes that we eat. It adds nutrients without any fat and calories. So this is cumin seeds. Do you know about this? And then this is called as black pepper. You already learned about black pepper, is it? And this is cloves. And next one is that is called as sombu. It is. And then this is cinnamon. And then this is turmeric. These are some of the important spices we add in our day-to-day life. Spices like cumin, mustard pepper, cloves, fennel, cinnamon and turmeric are very important in our food. When it comes to Indian food, the first thing that comes to many people's mind is probably spicy curry. People say curry comes from the Tamil word curry. In Tamil, curry means sauce. It is something that is cooked with a roasted or powdered mixture of spices and herbs. This mixture of spices can be different in different places. It can be mild or it can be spicy and pungent. Flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs are combined in many different ways to produce a great variety of flavors: sweet, sharp, hot, sour, spice, aromatic, tart, mild, fragrant and pungent. These are the taste that gives us by various spices. Okay. When cooked with rice, meat, fish or vegetables, the spice gives a dish a special savory taste. It makes us want to eat more. For example, when we make biryani or veg birinji, your mother adds so many spices in it, is it? So by adding so many spices, it gives a very sweet and hot taste and also very spicy and also very aromatic. Aromatic in the sense it gives us a very good flavor to the food. It gives us very good smell to the food, is it? That's why when we cook rice or meat or fish or vegetables along with the spices, the food become very tasty and it induces you to eat more and more. induces or stimulate you. Stimulate in the sense it creates more carving towards the food. Okay children, I hope this is very clear to you. This is all about the spices, different types of spices and how different spices are used in our food. Because of using all these spices, the food become very tasty, is it? Without spices, you can't eat very tasty food. I hope do you all like all the spices. For example, ginger is a very good aromatic and also it gives us a very good medicinal value to the food. And also pepper, black pepper is being used in most of the dishes. In most of curry dishes, black pepper has been using. By using black pepper, it gives you the spicy taste and also a healthy food. So that I already show you the pictures of so many spices. Is it children? I show you some of the cinnamon, cumin, mustard seeds, pepper and turmeric also. Is it? I hope this is very clear to you. Now I move on to next stanza of this supplementary lesson children. Please listen carefully. If you have book, turn to page number 150. Okay, 150. Next stanza is, that is next paragraph is, but apart from delicious food, spices also bring to mind adventure. Many of the most exciting voyages of modern history were made to conquer the spice trade and the race to become its master. The colonization of Americas and Asia had its roots in the spice trade. In 1492, Columbus went west to find India and pepper, but ran out to America and the Chile. Vasco da Gama 6 years later went around Africa to reach Kozhikode, the home of pepper. These voyages ended the very profitable trade that the Arabs and Romans had built up over the centuries. They set the stage for new world. As you learnt already in your prose, in third unit, first prose you learnt that is your third lesson. You learnt about the voyages for spices. Is it children? Do you remember this? Okay, fine children. Now you are going to recall all the things you learnt in your third prose. Okay. In third prose, we learned that a man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala and found black pepper in Kozhikode. Is it? He found black pepper from Kozhikode and took back a lot of pepper to their country. By this, Vasco da Gama found pepper from Kozhikode. Same thing is repeating here. Apart from taste, there are so many things for spices. Mainly in our history, many voyages in the sense many journeys are based upon to find out the spices. I hope this is very clear to you children. I stop till this, okay? Remaining part will be continued in next class children, and it's time for your assignment topic. Your assignment is you are going to make a spicy rasam. Okay children? By help of your mother, don't do it alone children. By help of your mother, please do a spicy rasam using pepper and garlic, so that you can come to know about the taste of the spices. I think this is very easy assignment to you all. Parents, please do cooperate. Either get help from your mother or from your father. Okay? Okay children. Thank you very much. Thank you.